Good morning, guys. Running a little bit late. I need to go to Cap and print something out and then meet everybody for my class at the Wallace collection, but running a little bit later than I thought I was going to, so I have to kind of hurry. Hopefully I'm not late. Christmas lights on Oxford Street. So this is the Wallace collection. Evidently it's the second largest family house in London after Buckingham Palace. And it was really cool. It has a bunch of art in it, there was Rembrandts and all sorts of cool stuff in there that we saw. A bunch of really cool sculptures and stuff, so it's really awesome. Going now to kill 2.5 hours basically. Start making my way over towards Canary Warf to do that field trip. So yeah, pretty excited for the Canary Warf one because I've only been there once and it's a really awesome an area. It's like the other half of the actual city of London, the financial district, so it should be really awesome.
At night they would go walking till the breaking of the day. The morning is for sleeping. Through the dark streets they go searching to see God in their own way. Save the night time for your weeping. You're weeping, singing la 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 la. And the night over London lay. So we rode down to the river where Victoria goes spray. For their curses to be broken, we go underneath the arches where the witches are missing. There are ghost towns in the ocean. The ocean, singing la 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 la. And the night over London lay.
This is Canary Warf. It's like being in Manhattan. Much more business. Lots of chrome. Lots of glass. This is 1 Canada Square, which is the big one with the pointy bit at the top. And that's the really famous one that you think of whenever you think of Canary Warf is 1 Canada Square. Close. I don't know if you'll be able to see it really well on the camera. That's the Shard. And you can just see the top of the Gherkin and the city of London itself. There's the traffic lights. Yeah, it's Canary Warf, new financial district of London. It's really awesome. It really reminds me of like New York or something. It's not like London at all, and I guess that's the point. It's supposed to be an extension, but a new extension, and it definitely feels like that. It's cool.
Canary Warf, looking across, with different elements here. Most striking perhaps, we're on the edge of what, during the 19th century, the heyday of the docks, was known as popular.
And one more shot of Canary Wharf, all lit up at nighttime. Really awesome, really pretty, very almost New York feeling to me, as I have said multiple times in the vlog, not today. Oh. Look at how busy the train station at Canary Wharf is. Good God. Oh. Well, that's it for today. I'm gonna go to bed because it's pretty late. I'm pretty tired. I had it was really cold today, so it was sort of an annoying day. And I had an issue getting on the bus to get back up to Ealing Broadway, or not to Ealing Broadway, to Newman Court, in which multiple buses passed whenever they were supposed to pick up people up, but they didn't actually pick people up, and it was ridiculous. But I don't know, I made it up, so I could have just walked, but at that point I'd already been waiting for a while, and I knew that the minute I started walking, a bus would stop and pick people up, and I'm too stubborn. So I guess I got what I deserved because I was just, you know, lazy, I guess, and wanted to take the bus, so oh well, whatever. But yeah, so I'm gonna go to bed, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a good night.